Okuma Radio 97.1. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. We got it all. 24/7 rocking.
Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low. Yeah. So sing along to my story.
My radio station.
Okuma Radio, Okapi Mayano. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akropoma Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma New. Okuma Any. Piani. Yakramuche. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Everybody do what you're doing. Your smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you're doing. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody
Yes. It's 2 after 3.
sunshine day.
Hey, and kakra na 20th of December 2021.
Smile will bring a sunshine.
Wow. 11 more days. Na afi 2021 yeah the abada we yeah. Na me show boss a wiki mo. On this big show. Yeah be bompa ya dodo power so. Never ya the official drive talking so the abra. Bami na Matthew for no mabua. Unyina ase. Say abbreviate Romo radio no at Okuma 97.1 radio. Anyway, it's getting hotter and better. Each day, every hour, every minute on radio. Once again, you're from it and Kwame Peru. Wait till me from the finest. And remember, you know, catch you in a minute. Mami mama the chicha my buff for. Nami chia my buff for. Nami chia my duffo. Nami chia wa wuti me. We are large. Mami mama the engia a DJ Donzi. The official DJ the Majumedi. Only who am in here. That's for Victor in the Colisto. I am a producer mapa. Sounds like I can see a punk commander or damia. I'm for a count, you know, executive producer. Hey, Uraba for. Once again, it's exactly 3 after 3 back. Semi Kuta say a Cosino Sia. This is the most safest drive in the heart of the capital, Aquaba Drive. Maybe Abba Fabio be a can want some pet there. A coye. When I Ghana force your mope. Once again, my Munina Fishiapa and my Munina Aquaba. And about the biggest, safest drive time. So, Aquaba Drive and Okoma. Aquabo Bibiara. Aquabo!
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio. Okuma Akumai Radio 97.1.
Falling and shadows grow long. It's time for the children to sing this old song. It tells of the coming of wonders untold. Forgotten is winter. It's
Akumai Radio 97.1. Akumai Radio 97.1.
And shadows grow long. It's time for the children to sing this old song. It tells of the coming of wonders untold.
Akumai Radio 97.1.
It's winter, it's fury and cold.
Blazing.
When darkness is falling and stars fill the sky, the waiting is over and we all know why. It's time for celebrating and having a feast.
Akumai Radio 97.1.
From the east, hi-ho, hi-ho. We'll soon see the candles glow. Hi-ho, hi-ho. We'll soon see the candles
Akumai Radio 97.1. 97.1.
When you saw Yamisha when you wrote me off, the guy called me in. I may be down, so you say I'm a man. Meaning Yama's in a D. Or come me with Miss Rodonka. Or the Mechi, I'm bound to win. Empty shot, not shame with you. Cause I'm a working for
Akumai Radio 97.1.
I'm watching my one carry move. Meaning Yama's in a D.
Akumai Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1.
I'm bound to win. Oh yeah, me watch you my home. Oh yeah, me watch you my one carry moon. Meaning I'm in a dinty. Maria Baya can't survive. There shall be home to my home.
Akumai Radio 97.1.
Cause though my beginnings might be little, greater is he that lives in me.
We are blazing. Akumai
wrote me off, but God called me in. I may be down, so you say I'm a minim yamia matineti. Or can be women, Cyril don't care. But in the she, I'm bound to win. It's a share, not show me beyond. Cause I'm a work in progress. I am a work tomorrow. I am a work tomorrow. Parimu, minim yamia matineti. Mary, I can't see by. And show me who I won't be. And I'm a different prayer. Mary, me, as a master, greater is he that lives in me, whom I won't be. And I'm a different time for one or you don't see the war. Hey, how can we win this road? I'm bound to win. Oh, yeah, we went to my room. Okay, I went to my water party moon. Meaning, Yamia, Martin, I didn't see. Maybe I can survive. And show me whom I won't be. And for me, preference to be and me, but I say I get so well.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Osurushira wana washira. Ni pepi arantu minsa ino. Share. Ochena sem ya wimkuwa dinim. Mede me watchwe no pampi. Minja ini muda. Oka me ponia obepo basi senda.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oka me wini surotong. Odi mechi, I'm bound to win. Oya me watch my wahum. Obaya me watch my one parimu. Minim yamia mazine dinti. Maria yabaya kasepa. And show me whom I won't be. Ever me prefer to be and carry me. Nasema sasi yake so well in kwa. And show me whom I won't be. Ever me prefer to be and carry me. Nasema sasi yake kite. And show me whom I won't be. Ever me prefer to be and carry me. Nasema sasi yake so well in kwa. Maria yabaya kasepa.
Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Osonia breko ochenia titi. Ahuchenia mediapo. Ayana waetia. Ube humina maefefe.
Okuma Radio.
Nasunia menamono na bia animo. Nyami wazimi.
We are blazing.
Minyami wayimi o. Free wahabimu. Yesu wajimya. Misi minyami wayimyo. Free wahabimu. Wanyamisa wamisuti sana da wakasachame. Naso machoa na mintini nyo. Nyamife munyina na wadine nina shemye. Osunya breko washenya titi. Ahuchanye mediapo. Ayana wede. Ube umina maye fefe. Nasunya mikomono na biya nibo. Minyami wajibyo.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nanka mensa memfata kra. Oyani wa mobroni.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Missy one, I would the one need to once on the one in our radio. And so I know the pepper, not so when you know I was on your brego or shane at TT.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
You don't know why you're fair. Now soon you won't come on now be anymore. Minyami wajibyo. Yami wajibi. Wajimyo.
Everyone be 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Jesus wajibyo. Yami wajibi. Wajimyo.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yes, I was sorry, I'm a man. Made an army of Cocodro. Make what do money one minute.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
Made an army of Cocodro. Make what do money one minute. One grand ever book me for. There is no condemnation. Make what do money one minute. Yeah. Come on. One grand ever book me for. There is no condemnation. Make what do money one minute.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
We worship you, Lord.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
The blood that gives me strength, come on, from day to day, never loses power. Blood that gives me strength, from day to day, never loses power.
Okuma Radio.
We worship you, we give you glory.
And time check in our studios at Zali 18 after 3. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Everybody, I say. Everybody, I say. Abushia me no be bo empire 15 minutes our radio you so. 80 baby awo bia no. So we are driver Mr. and Kataweni. Sounds na samre. Ebia ni awo ye no utimi Kataweni mani nye ya en Kataweni. Wafo akoma ene wa adwen edi mpaiba ye ba bebo ye chi our studio mo a. 11 more days na aka. Na afi 2021 so ye dia ba na wie ye. Na abushia sania empanyini ka se ade ye chi no ante asem fofora enye no. Ade chie bia ne emusam. Ade chie bia ne ayete. Ade chie bia ne ekoso. I came to tell you something this afternoon. It is just by the grace that we are still alive. It is by the grace that we are living. His mercies endures forever. Yenyankopon ya bandende. Oneni oti asifo nyankopon abrese medukata wiri nya be ma nyankopon a. Wadani dunsi osi kwanfi firibu abrefo. Asisi yehu yansem ka onu na rade onka bi emayen. Si yehu yen tokwa ko onu na rade onku bi emfam wayen. enti abushia samre bomadian enemy empire 50 minutes our radio you so me pacho wo drive ya emobi enkata wani wo drive ya enkata wani na mo wo betimi abompa ye ni bie de agi akire for wakoma ene wa adwen edi dwumadi ye achi
Truth is, I gave up on myself. My back was against the wall. And it was on your but I gave you a call. And you answered my
Mami Chia eye Josephine Kujo
You made a way.
aye boy ne bano
But I gave you a
me no kasa idie
and you answered
wutie ye pa Josephine Kujo
us.
me ma good evening sa wo ho ye de
Me won't come home, no she me cheat. Baby, I'm me friend, baby, I'm me D. What they have for one over to me.
abushia 50 minutes on this show the yamon paye na 11 days akai yemfa ye ho ensha asafu Yehowa den sa
Akropon Piapim. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Judabusia kumu jata Sain kunyimzi franca Ansamo fuemo sin trabande
Okuma Radio.
Okuvu Joshua na kucham Hatini na mbapi Nine farba oduman kuma Yansabwa kwa onyima zinina Ansana riati babwati Abankasi ati munkum Ioja fedum jene matata Okromota wakotiri wapawa nyeye Akrosa na matu na bawa onshie Ete bota Eni akrobetu nyami Wachibwa oni yeye Naoni ashasi Yetebwa pamensu Anema asasi kasesu Timu yenu satrana Yanyinu nama esro
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Tinema wafofienu Okraemu anatabanu su Maya nana mpimbo de biarada Enti wawezi free boy Ufime mowe Yamini una maestro Isani ya otie munu Asusini ya wariati Wachichichichira eri mopo Wachishishisha ebe kiri Apima tuto ube mkume Apidwa tuto unimfa Wenyunkuwa na huti beshe Awe unabone fwa ketia Yanyini nama ensro Udini unyuma se Insanu nyuma ya wawa Woni ya shada Ya wawa na ya
Okuma Radio.
wadina Jehovah jirani chaso nyami Rosinu woni ya mbafo Elohinu Elohika Minyam kopo Jehovah Sama Emmanuel woni ya woho Tikenu ya mkatabo Adonai ni erati Tuminyina ura Shalom ya na somejini Jehovah Rofeka Emantampinu mayarose
Okuma Radio.
Jehovah Roi Yaya Pupa Unimu Umrane Jehovah Nisi Efranka ni mabotire Utini unyuma seo Unsana unyuma ya wawa Waprau El Shaddai Yawana Yawatina.
On my radio.
Irani Jasonyami. Wosinu Woni and Bafo. Elohinu Elohika. Hey, Yankopon. Jehovah Shammah. Emmanuel Woni and Waho.
On my radio.
Kenuya Mekatabu. Adonai Radi. Tumina Ura. Shalami Yamasumidino. Jehovah Rofeka. Oman Tampino Mayarasa. Jehovah Rohi. Mayabuba Unimu Umana.
On my radio.
Jehovah Nisi. Franka Nima.
On my radio.
Abushia baby, I will be on. Sunny American Casa 50 minutes yadi be bompire at the 11 days. Abushia Akawa Nimi Yadi Abushia Yadi Ajuma Yadi Akra Adi Bashawra Dinsa. Bible says you we and talk ready and could be at my see we are some kind ready and can be at my Adia Bakupa minim say I say Adia I am Bible. Prayer is the key and prayer is the master key. Say Okono Yati in respect of the hard time you are going through. Say somebody Wabura bako ye enkosi enkoda nia ubeye bia na ye stand still and some eka amani huru enimguasia na sambre bon samne dia hwe wabura bo a mami 11 more days aka enne menu ubedim paibo bon paibo 15 minutes on my show esane say and now Ubatina Yasi Wayasi. Achina Ubati Yasi Wayasi. And somebody Yado Swasi and some Papano. And it is time for us to pray. Abrana Israel for no Antinia Mebiase. Abrana Israel for no Omu Konkwa Sumo Omu Kwati Tinio Homono. Na ikasasa so mo bompaye. Abushia Bible ni say Wamaye tumi amaye bibia ho kwan na anya ni nyina na sefata ye sakrati asefo ye did the next 15 minutes added the 11 days aka ewo bosumu yimu no ebe shawrade nsa so no na safu ye wo ne man nsa so akwansidie owuo accident and she said bia bon samna shishadi amaye no ono na safu ye wo wani twitwanje me no mienu abusha baby owo bia no hyase se wo de urade ase se gboma afi akwa beto bedu aye December on the 20th bebreni aye ni omo hyase nso omo nkati akrati asefo se wo ton ade se wo titotro mu se wo taxi mu abusha mpaibo no nso bobie sane se nyi hu mfim yeni abre sane obonsam no so ani abre no last days are dangerous and kasa we di emfa me ho and kasa we di de no mu kirei lot yiri di achinye no dane nchirisi a lot is happening dozy 11 more days okay. I'm not a prophet, I'm not a pastor, minya evangelist, but I can see some wonders, I can see some signs of a danger. It's only say and somewhere banyina and somewhere there. I came to tell somebody something, and we are brave baby. Bomadia sa ubebie wano ade Awurade ase. Mami de Awurade ase, papa de Awurade ase. Onua bomadia de Awurade ase wo baabi a wo bia. Papa mo boni mu ye Nyankopɔn ano no. Anu no nim yen. Yeye moja tokura daye na niyem no onim yen. Onim yedi, onim ni entia obo ye sakrati asefo. Akoso manu bia. Kwame Mpare. Anasa the boy. Edi bia ye de fra wu bia no. Awurade nim sa wo ba asase isu. Sa din no ne ye de be fra wo. Wamoye se samre nyame fa tete ni ohaw ni amane huru yi mu. At a certain time we will pray to our Father who is on sin. Shasi se samre wu bompa ye wo baby a wo bia. Catch the Awurade say 11 more days aka ewo enne yi mu no. Ofiye twa jojo na 2022 ye hu na sumdei so. We are not waiting for 31st night. Esan is obonsam na ni abre ya yesu ye ni abre. We are not waiting for the last day. Ni enko asori de mu nkobo Awurade mpaye. Jumedie wentie me jumedie nya jumedie. I need you alive. I need you to cross to 2022. Samre srebody fache. Shasia sa wo srebody fache wo baby wo bia. Shasia sa wo kawakuma mu asem kuma asem. Secret bia wo die hie. Woni Awurade nka sanka nkyere wonia. Shasia sa wo koso srebody fache. Ya yadboye fo esane say ya Adam asefo. Boni mu ni yanyinsa anya na boni mu ni ya wo yen. Ba Bible na me yati asese se ye pamu ka ye boni a. Ayono korofo ni otiri ni so de ye boni be cha yen. Oh mama, sabre bam ba. Awurade momade ye nhiraw. Awurade momade ye nomo. Shasi asa sabre wo ka boni de a kire Awurade. Shasi asa wo ka kire Awurade se Awurade for me boni for chame. Ehwe me boni so dua me boni so kada. Awurade 2021 wabaye ne hu bi. 2021 abaye ne hu bi. But 11 days akai asafu ye wo abua ye ni etwa na sumdwai so. It is not going to be by our mind. It's not going to be by our power. Enye ya ho odin, enye ye nyansa, enye ye sika bi, enye ya ho ofa bi. Shasi asa wo ka che Awurade se Awurade sani Joseph ani bre wo. Sani Awurade Joseph sufra wo. Sani Sabre Joseph Shadrach Meshach Abednego wutimi ye momo. Sani Awurade timi ye ma Daniel no. Awurade nyama yen. Esane se Yesu adu yeso. Yesu adu yeso se ye ma yen. Sani otimi ye ma afoforo no. Ema dansidie timi pie ye no. Emre aso se Awurade ne so be ye de ama yen. Me kwame ya me wa me odboy ni. Na me pamu ka me boni se Awurade fo me boni nchame. Wo so shase asa wo kan wo de. Ka wo de kire Awurade. Wo ka kire nipa de bekokodi sekuo. Wo ka kire afoforo ni afoforo bekokodi hu nkomo. Pray to your Father who is on sin. Your command 97.1 radio. Akoba drive no masugusu amutie. 11 days more. Near the 2021 about a year. But I know it's not going to be easy. Bible says, "Say, Awurade wa ya fa one pon oni ye betimi adi asie." Make us me a cho say sia. What's the Boniface you are shasi sa wudi wabi sadia to Awurade adim. So what's the Boniface we are shasi sa wudi wabi sadia to Awurade adim. Shasi sa wo ka sam foforo bi a kire Awurade. Ka kire Awurade sa onya wa body foforo. Ka kire Awurade sa all man suru moja no. Amma woni wabushia wadwuma afoforo ba mu bia ho ban. Yampasi ya beti moja hwegu bia bio. Yantisi ya beti accident bia bio. Yantisi ya beti yare bia bio. Michael se Vicono se Michael se bibiaro. I know say 2022 answer ye be wura mo. God is going to give us solution.
Oh, Jesus.
Abusia sasa woni awurade kasa. Kawakoma so ade na kawa asam kire awurade. Bible says we should pray without ceasing.
Jesus.
Yemmom paiba eni awieye.
I will sing it again.
Na samre die.
I will sing it again.
Bon samre butu baabi e bobu se eye jata. Opayen dia yen na dia man se.
I'm not ashamed to pray.
And so I know say we serve a living God. We serve the omnipotent God, the omnipresent God, the Eloli, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.
I'm not ashamed.
Eti nyomo beka, nyomo baye, nyomo basheshe. Apam bia omudi ye befa so awurade wo ya fanti ani mungu asida biara da. Awurade wo ya fanti 11 days aka Ghana ye betwa. Metiefu amutie me. Taxi driver, trotro driver. Mami a ubutu fie. Sorry for ukata so na bompa ye na kache awurade se. 11 days aka yo fie ntwa. Aye nibere so. Bible na me ate asese osoro ahemamu ye kona nibere so. Ye nkono boko. Bosam na ni abre yesu ye ni abre. Esare se ye wo awurade afa. Na sari America ka me se awurade wo ye afa. Won pokura ne ye ni bedi asie.
Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio.
We worship you. We worship you. Lift up your hands and let's worship him. We worship Jehovah Almighty. We worship you, Lord.
Akoma Radio.
We worship you, Lord. We worship Jehovah Almighty. We bow to you, Lord. We bow to you, Lord. We bow to you, Jehovah, our King of Kings.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
We bow to you, our Lord. We bow to you, Jehovah. We lift you, Lord. We lift you, Lord. We lift you, Jehovah Almighty. We lift you higher, Father. We lift you higher. Hey, we lift you, Jehovah Almighty. Yes, sorry, hey, ye pejao, ahimo, hine, hey, ye pejao, ye mausu, ye kaukasia, ye pejao, ye pejao, yeah, ahimo. It's a way of counting another day, yes, sorrow.
Radio 97.1.
Samire awodi wa bisade ato awrade anim awie. Adwuma wo ye fa hye awrade nsa. Father, I pray for the four corners of this very building. Mo adishi moja no entwa adwuma yi hu nhia. Ni abaye musu ni abaye sane awrade mabonsam nani mungu ase. Adwuma ye fu awom colleagues from managers who consider the last person also. Father, I'm just an empty vessel. Me don't know what this moja nim. Awrade una onim ne yema woma. Awrade kasagu ya brabo matiefo. Adofo asamire omugusu kira adoye. Awrade ye de omu nyina nu wade shimoja nim. Afi 2022. Father, we want to see them alive and kicking. Awrade obi an adwuma enko ye, awrade boane na adwuma no koso. Obi a otwetwe bi nso a onya bi. Awrade dumni bi. Awrade fadwumadi ayi so. Adwuma asai. Aware asai. Empaibo obi boso pe yafudi awoba onya. I know you have never disgraced me. And you will never, ever do that to me. Speaking to the various life of all my loyal listeners out there. Kasagua ma brabom, kasagua kra brabom na ready peja wonsa. Sanya Psalm 105 verses 1. Can see, give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known among the nation what he has done. Mama manina uni ebradia ye, and God will promise you. So when the year 2021 assume Joshua, and radiant for us in ni. Yabama mama manina who radin yawaya diamaye. Accident radio machamaye, you come away to Christo Mumajadim. And she said, "Be a master, dear my ready, you come over what is mojanim." And him Guasia be a radible, some Nasa dear my answer na 2021. Abacon the way Yamra Brabo Suna Urade. You taught us how to pray. You come over once for your own demo. Where are you be a funyame? Near what canon the radio by your Abrana Samre Israel for no conquer sumuno. Awurade o kasa fa Moses mu. Moses asamire awurade o ntimi nkasa. O man pomo. Adom no. Wo she Moses den. Ama Moses timi di Israel for yanim. Awurade to your bofo of famaye. To your boafo famaye. Na uradi peja wonsana ma yendi niye. I came to tell you something this afternoon. Awia minu mienu ni ebo di mampa ebo di ama 11 more days akai. Emfani sa agro. Emfani se bi aden kase hunu I say emene ne so o meka se nansa ba na o ma no ma bu o mo keka samsa. Mi a obe fa no eno na obenya no. Ohwe studio mo ha air conditions so me free. This should tell you. Abushia kakra fa me ho se bia fa ho a obeti nyema bia se. Se ne afa unua no ho no se bia fa wo so ho a obeti bibia se. My empire, oh baby, I obia. Asuru hini nyankopon samire wo ma yeda wase. Kantamatu nyankopon samire. Wa wadani awampamu jena wo ho bon afiefiem. Kokromoti ayentimi nsa wo ho emmopo. Aye biafu nyame samire. Wadani dusia usi kwa fifiri bua berefo. Ocha so nyame a wo chama ni so obia so. Awurade wo si yensu frɛ. Abra samre ye wo ahoyehi anase ye wo ahokyere bi mu. Awurade fiti 2020. Ana yare kodi ewo COVID-19 twiniti. Edi yenya akwanuasa bebre so. Ye wa 2021. Baby obefa bia wo ma ensu. Enya no po. Emu accident. Emu yare. Emu animguasie. Emu adwumaseye. Emu awareseye. Adwuma egu. Awurade sani a wo kire ye se eche ye so a yensu fra no. Me bompa ya wiabre ka kire wo Awurade se. Adwuma bia egu. Adwuma bia asai. Aware bia asai. Me no ka se wiabre obi nya ekura ka benu ma wuduro de yaku ne ho. Esa ne sa asase isu afro no. Otu na ni enko bia ni. Oje ne wanje. Ohu na asam ka. But Awurade wo kire ya niema bebre. Awiabre me bompa say so akuma bia samre ayemre so sa akuruma nim. Obi officer de leader so nyina nsa. Sambria me no ka say ohu ba bi ode na ni kire. Odwe ne ho. So onu ma aduro wu o. Se onfose kan wonu wo. So omotu o. Awurade mi jasa ni pano de shawunsa. Sa na Awurade mi ja ankrankura nyina. Amutie okoman samre. Sompo ontie mpo kura Awurade. Bogana fo nyina ho ban. Apie mantamfo boye ho ban. Okrapemanfo boye ho ban. Awurade yanoma wo akirichiri so menya Volta region. Koforidia baby obi biara wo bia no. Awurade me di omo shawunsa. Wo yo no kwarofo hene yampa. Awurade me di adofo nyina shawunsa. Ma wo pe enye ho. Bless us, help us to cross to 2022 in peace, not in sorrow or in pieces. Awurade tumiyani cross to 2022 asumidai so. We want to cross to 2022 in peace, but not in pieces, and not in sorrow. I know we are serving a living God. Yes, so many yankopon yoti asofo yankopon. Enti wongu ya nimu asida. Ani ebetwa na asumdwei so. Wa wo ka obi nkabi. Wa wo nimu enne. Eni mo china sem. Ye gya ye hu nyina de ma wo. For ye nonum na ma wo pe enya wo ya brabo mu. Afi adom ni asumdwe fi ye Awurade Yesu Kristo nsam no. Nyankopon do no sunsun kronkro ayonkofa no. Awurade ene ye ntena enne echina ani abribiara. Awurade enne mi wura studio mu ha tiefo amutie me. Papa bi fi Koforidia baye. Ohwe ye keke. Papa yi nyobi ayi boy. O hwa ho brase a papa panimu owo. Na ankamia me nsem mfata papa yi koto na mse papa me do me pe wasem. Abushia papa yetimi atena ka mu keke. Abehwe me. Adidam fikire. Awurade shiraw na Awurade ma wo nyodefo. Awurade mpagya wo fi adumu nko adumu. Na Donzi. Chaza papa no mi huni amenka. Awurade me de ne shaw nsa ba bi owo bia mi nim se samre otika mu okọ. Awurade fa ni kodu ni nnuma ne ne oye bia Awurade shira no. Awurade dom no. Me first Christmas gift on the abrami. God bless you. Aye boy. Woni wasefo. Ani obi biara otie dwumadie bia nyame hira mo. Yadama say. Na yeshamo bo say afida say next year. Ni aba o radio yusu no esokra say ni amu hui. Awurade nka ho, Awurade ndomo. Minim say 2022. 11 days akai. Me no ani abusua aka ni nyina ye betwa na asumdwe so. Wei any mpai bo chere abra okosro. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgiving those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy in the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Obi brother will tell me what bonti I want me bompai. Jeme so amen kesiye pa.
Akropoma Piapim, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Japati kasima won na tumba wazamareba
We have moved from grass to grace. But nana defeat ya china kono me no na be bompa e studio mo ha. 11 more days. Enye easy. Bebre na person kan na dey impo omo be hu. But omo way. Ebe o sa agro. Monsam no sa no wi anipa. Oma wi fi ho. Oma wani ji wi ase ne ma bi ho. Oma wani ji emro so. Etu wi fi ne ma bebre. Azavo me wa kwa ba.
Enia.
Na bibia boko de.
Oh, say na o kanu. Nyame de o de ache.
Yeah.
O de yenkwa ache. E de adom obo adom so. Ama ene na mehu community fo bebre. Ibi okra me no mame no mpanyifo ne ade. Nyame de yenkwa ache. Bibi o de abedu no no. Me fi me krom na me bei. Me say me moto ni di me hwambo. Me na kosi aso dan bi ho. Na me nam. Na me krom me say omudi ohum no. Na young man be krom ho kwa me. Wawua amakro nyina da na abutu
me twa wa no mpo me kai minim za one Honda blue be say nam ho me nam tomo
blue one be
yes oba no oba me ho not me ho or one of the guys when you meet the guy you laugh obesre ya otimi betra me ho no yes so say chairman business idea e say o ma me car to me say uni problem saka no mo beto mo ntu
mo yanka ya tiefo am say brebi assembly man bi ba ha ne e general din komo no pa e ba tu bi eto ye na e bo no assembly man say ne man na bite bi saka no
so no ne bo no ju o de be chair me
yeah
o de be chair me
and Kwame
I'm so about police station or buy once a garage in opposite the police station or buy no de be chair me
niema enko yi unu say Kwame this period no that na me catch you be say inyabere be chirechiri mu unim we calendar we are you see
impact month
calendar we are you see Roman for calendar yeah onyakopon de nankasa no e start fi March
okay
na sa period we no oko moja hwegu ene ade Matthew 2 verse 2 hono no o say na Herod who Jesus Christ nsroma no obisa say wan so man na epe no say ohene na ofi Juda busuakom no enti ofrefre wo mo ko hia e bo opo say yehwe be abofra no wo no nkosom no bisa oboa okopena ku no enti bosom we no wan hwe yi a e opani okum
yes obi be pe wanu ma
sa no de jaso ku
obi be gigew
enti Bible say osi ohia asofo mpanyifo ene chirofo. Oh, enti na this time nya empire and run you say as at 10 o'clock na me jam akura na say aye bompaye kwame enti so big the year agura Shmoja shegu fiti September mo eba na mo ne
nyampa china the boy ebe san to one pipe bonus so we've decided say 20 minutes of our time on the drive fiti na kosi say bosumi we are doing this and we are not stopping. Share idea mama tia say empire and the key to every single problem. And they say Abrana onyankopon pe so obesu ma Moses on kasa.
Moses or a stammerer no kind of horoso
yeah no kasa.
Oh yeah.
Moses yobia so be kira se mu akire wa obekọ enkrayaba 2 times and say wetimi akire mu akire. But God gave him that authority to lead.
Yeah.
Anything that one program ayo mo ya manager power grace commanding them man.
Yeah.
Say utimi bomodia de ade ne hye to mi mu a. Akire no nea onya nema bi wo no ma menye sure se betimi ato.
Come ye huni empaibo etumi ye hwe minim fofo metumi abo mudin on bete empaibo efre akropon ba bi Toronto omo eti minim daily word me se kwame kwan biye ni wo meti affidation na meka kwan biye ni wanka Nicodemus ba ko pimu aburuchire kwan biye ni wo but empaibo nti ana kwame
na da ba wo de omo kra de form na nyanya me a anka wo ne hwan
kwame hwe empaibo
ana anka me a meti wo me hwan
president sofu bi obo Yesu din Emma, no friend of Juliet, no, well, onane ye. Gravity and Bible to me, no. Wow. Some of us is all that we believe in. And young pie boy, Kwame, you must be ye nip baby, you know. Ah, Miss Uber, or Papa cuisine money at the end, and you and Papa and Michelle Mo, a job on say no more, and Nima, you ask them. And Papa say, Kwame, at everything by prayer. Everything I didn't know. Say I feel be kwa yesa ye nim paibo bono ese ye boma ye ma boma ye nkru boma ye dwumai and ran paibo me boy ye nyina wo makura na say fa e for workers and adwumai because kwa me say adwuma ya tumu kra se bibisi wa dwumu ana ye nkofi a afa ni akosi sana mako ana so ni ya chechere ni yesusu ni ya pam memo you know say on the road to Nineveh Jonah kasa wan tonsu numbi ni ma nam no na tonsu num Jonah ono wase won kono ono wan tonsu numbi omo tete wona wase ayansa ne ma ngusum ebi ana wan kasa wan ko oyere o ma onuanom adwuma on paboa watade me no kasa ma bia me ko ye TV adwuma second Maranatha station na she
na hope ye nti wona Amansan TV she
kwame enro ye kena frame Maranatha TV ashe millions of Ghana cedis. Enti ebia na anka wankasa obabi o manu sika de bedi buronya anokono oda mampo de 37 on the G enti ye kan da wiei Bible said let God arise and his enemies be scattered. If even God say Nyankopon po watanfo a kwa me yete ye odwuma obi nya obaye o na dispose obi yo wo ba yo munya no ye huhu etu no me anka meye nyuma don ziboyi oh she and it no matter is you say by prayer let me wrestle and he will perform with Christ in the vessel. I will smile at the storm. Much praise before you say Christo asafofo monsha akodepa mama monya di onyame tumi mu onyankopon asafu Yehowa di ne tumi bakura ne ma ne watumi akon.
That's it.
And upon my announcement I said it.
The boy your mama Diana your mom pa Emma papa ene over me.
Yeah, kwame.
Over me.
Young lady ya no to uye. And mama me me kwa na omu Methodist mpanyifo ahia. Tell mama me Methodist stand Methodist. Yeah, Methodist ni kokrokopa.
Bompa ma ayi bobo mama. Na ene ayi bobo ene Yakopon fan go do asumdwe so.
Wow.
We be surprising pa.
Aye boy.
Yes.
Me ba na Lady Gaga eka.
Simple and very humble man.
Original lady.
Ex-police officer.
Original Lady Gaga.
Okay.
And Kwam Pepra.
Bompa.
Ombo mama ne.
Bompa mama. Bompa no.
Arade bompa ne na fa anwumre wo Yesu Kristo demo. Bible sha na won soma pue na nipa nyina hu ye. Ohine Herod so hu ye na ne butu ye. Ye bompa ya urade afi ko na wiye nima bi besisi ma ye bu betu owura ma empare ye. Ewo Jesus Christ Nazareth ne demo. Bible say abandon den wo urade udi adona ye ba ahotefo nyina dwane betoa na onya fa hodie owura fa hodie ntoye ne yetiefo so ewo Yesu Kristo dinimo. Bible say ye bo urade din ya wona gidi no we wumpa ye benya nkwa owura si ahyehye owuo ahyehye yare ato bema ato agbalagba ato tikpe senka yentiem na mefa ye ya hongogron kasama ye ewo Yesu Kristo dinimo ni agyekere nsane ni yesuma semra yeso emwadane wo Yesu Kristo dinimo. Owurade ope enenye ho wonwode utumi enkata yeso yamurunkum jakata adwuma iso yamurunkum jakata manager so yamurunkum jakata yatiefo so yamurunkum jakata CEO so nyina so ewo Yesu Kristo demo apembato yanifo na pato yebenkum yande ebirinka ye ni wanko na behwe yebenwa bonefo katua obonefo bi obesore owura tiane kafama yan ewo Yesu demo. Bible share minya hopo metiase mo hyemimu owura fa yen hyew mu yane yema ne yabusua ene yadwuma nyinara ye drive owura kopem sa afi bekwa wieye wo ne ye enko soye wataban so ema ye na enfo ye na mpobo bi da empare ye se besre ne yadi empare ye se obi be yare adakete so awu adwuma mu ha owura empare ye ne yatiefo nyinara fa nkoku ja no soye so na fa wade shimoja no ehye ye so ewo Yesu Kristo demo. Dan Bible say na wo chi odwamambo ni Rahab owura je ye na sisi anadwe twamfa ye fie na fa ogwama ne moja no yenso ano ba ye ewo Yesu Kristo dimo afiko awie ye kaye mesie yiye ewo Jesus Christ Nazareth ndimo me do nyama onkronkron ye de hu nyama onkronkron me sumu tu nsa ne bambom ewo Yesu Kristo dimo adom nti amen.
It's only 3:04, and then a 20th day in the month of December 2021. Let the radio sing. Abusua enche yebesisa yensano, but this is one song that made in Ghana for nyina obi biara baby awo bia any summary situation a wo mu bia no. It is one song I can't stop playing. It in me bo na me dey show crying aka cho say enne na achia echna ebetimi atene
Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio yes baby.
I don't like what I have been through. You turned my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
Okuma Radio.
Adum, Watum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony.
Okuma Radio.
So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, it was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hey, Atumo Nyame, Atumo. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Watum. Hey, Atumo, Nyame, Atumo, Watum. Hey, Adum, changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my grace is centered on your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you. By your loving kindness and grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my faith is all centered on your grace. Centered on your grace, you have been my doctor on that sick bed. By your stripes, I am healed.
And it's 8 after 4.
So the essence of my faith.
This one says, the finest, you be fantastic. Your friend Jones Swine. Akono Ajua.
Could not have made it without you.
I know the boy I'm here praising.
Could not have.
I was sure about to me joining on Facebook Live. Akoma Radio 97.1. YouTube Akoma Radio 97.1. Twitter at Akoma 971. Instagram at Akoma 971. I was here. Your WhatsApp line is 0551 667755. And also your WhatsApp line 0551 667755. Now walk on Facebook Live for your Akoma Radio 97.1. And for YouTube your Akoma Radio 97.1. Twitter at Akoma 971. Instagram at Akoma 971. I was here. Mama Diana joining me. Solomon, I'll say more fire. Okay. Abusia, it's time for us to turn things around. This is the hottest, the most entertaining, exciting, educative, informative drive time in the whole Ghana. Akwaba Drive on Akoma 97.1 radio. Mimamunyina Akwabo.
Akropon Piapim on Akoma Radio 97.1.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Akoma Radio.
And lots of good cheer.
Akoma Radio.
I saw Santa Claus coming down the chimney. He did not bring no toys for me. He say I was not a little baby.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Akoma Radio.
A Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas comes but once a year. Let's get together and have good cheer. It is Christmas time, so Christmas, have a nice time. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
My radio.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Performer Capim, Okuma Radio, 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Whatever is rocking, we are blazing.
Oh no, you. I'm not what you are doing. I'm ready now. Oh no, you.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
I'm not what you are doing. I'm ready now. Oh no, you. I'm not what you are doing. I'm ready now.
We are blazing.
So power yasia onyana no bre wonye bibipa wade agene busia fwe mabeme so nanima benyamo abramo atwa bi obenso ate masamasia so me de makoma no sanso no dotie wai abramo atwa de yede de gisem yo
odo yewu abramo atwa de na Odo yewu Abraham watchwabe Rea mwandofa
Emani biwa Neso kwa wariasia Onyana no bre Mwenye bibi baby When you have to see a frame of a man, so many Abraham, what you have your best on the Massa Masia, the Summit de Macomama.
Okuma Radio, 97.1. Okuma Radio, 97.1.
Oh no, you. Abraham watch what be ready now. Odo yewu Abraham watch what be ready now. Wandofa Odo yewu Abraham watch what be ready now. Odo
we are blazing.
Abraham watch what be ready now. Wandofa
Okuma Radio, 97.1.
Emani biwa Neso kwa wariasia Onyana no bre Mwenye bibipa Wade agene busia fwe mabeme so nanima benyamo Abraham watwa bi obenso ate masamasia Seme de makoma no Sanso no dotie wai Abraham watwa de yede de gisem yo
Odo yewu
Okuma Radio.
Abraham watch what be ready now. Odo yewu Abraham watch what be ready now. Wandofa
Okuma Radio, 97.1. Okuma Radio, 97.1. Okuma Radio,
Fatima Pasi Boatie, Memene, Unumosa to Boasio. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Usiema to Boasio. That's what they naturally did. Abba Brabanya woman, Sister Bibio. That's what they naturally did.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Unisika to Boasio.
On Kuma Radio 97.1. We are blessed.
Sister Bibia, and Tena Yaramo. Sister Bibia, Yawani Yamafu. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Unisika to Boasio. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Bemene, Unumosa to Boasio. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Usiema to Boasio. That's what they naturally did. Abba Brabanya woman, Sister Bibio. That's what they naturally did. Abba Brabanya woman, Sister Bibio.
We are blessed.
Hagracie, Unisika to Boasio.
On Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Sister Bibia, you want in your mouth. Sister Bibia, and tell that's what they naturally did. Abba Brabanya woman, Sister Bibia. That's what they naturally did. Abba Brabanya woman, Sister Bibia.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Unisika to Boasio. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Bemene, Unumosa to Boasio. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hagracie, Usiema to Boasio.
On Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio, Kuma Eli, Jenny, the Kramuche. On Kuma Radio, on Kuma Radio, yes, baby. On Kuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Boya, if you're not no big
97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Akropon Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Jenny, you come with Okuma Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Africa, come let's enjoy together. Music food in Africa, come let's enjoy forever. After God is well, we need to celebrate. After God is well, we need to jubilate.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Music goes in, it will make you rock your body, it will make you move your body. Make you move your body, I was singing,
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Holding Zimoya, it's your kind of music. Holding Zimoya, it's my kind of music. The move is alright, let's groove it all night. Don't get so lazy, yes, something so crazy. Listen to what they say, and just help me sing. I was singing, oh yeah, I was singing, oh yeah. Music goes singing, oh yeah, I was singing, oh yeah. It will make you move your body, it will make you groove your body, to make you rock your body. I was singing, oh yeah.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Jenny, you come with we are blazing.
so you was in. That's all your way.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
What's about one thing, you? That's all your way. Jealousy, somebody win the lottery. If you try your luck, but if you try to jealousy, somebody prosper for life. Now God bless her. If you try to jealousy, hey. Jealousy, mama. Jealousy, papa. Now where do you want you? Jealousy,
from this rocket. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Somebody win the lottery. You for try your luck. If you try to jealousy, somebody they prosper for life. Now God bless her. If you try to jealousy, Aya.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, it's baby. Okuma Radio, it's baby. We are blazing. Okuma Radio,
we fight each other. None of those days we kill one another. We got to leave us one solid unity. No fighting in our community. Let's play the table. I know we are able. Fighting and fighting must be a problem of the past. I say we need it no more. We call it alone joy. Alone joy. Nobody likes it so. Alone joy. Everybody wants to have some good life. Nobody likes it so. Everybody wants to.
We are blazing. We are blazing.
Let child abuse be a problem of the past. Let drug abuse be a no joy. We find a solution to this pollution. Children suffering from malnutrition. Let's stay the table. I know we are able. We feed a wailing. Must be a problem of the past. I say when it needs no more, we call it alone joy. Alone joy. Nobody likes it. Alone joy. Everybody wants to have some good life. Alone joy. Nobody likes it so. Alone joy. Everybody wants to be free.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
Minutes non-stop music. Oh. Ababa cuisine yechiao. One governor. Na enadia me dedicated the whole show at the Marco Foridia for. Ni tichiru ni aye boy ewo ko Foridia trum. 41 after 4. And Germany did the lectures and updates in the world of sports, Bebremo. But right about time it here. Mami Misa saying for now, Obutu. Miniano. Ediana Ekoso. Bronya na to say. Now say Bronya fever na charge pa. And then me pia muso penny ya for Mako. I'm so petobo. Family na ya. Kompren kutobi dia taritare me. F2 Ventures in Penny 47 Chiao. Not me control say. Sebronya yi. Ubedi atene de ye padia. Bomadi answer very happy ya yetimi ye makeup. Emma makeup no ehome. Na me call wedding be over the weekend I will teach you. Enye izo. Ye twi makeup ne pa ma unsa pa makeup ne de. What is your good so better than ye? Benku Amuedi. I was at the F2 Bridal Collection Service in Penny for about bridal fan, bridal a fascinator. After cakes and catering service at Eberhe Wawa in your mobile in some mobile bridal accessories, gift wrappers, Amobi. After warrior training at the F2 Bridal Fan Fascinator Balloon Decoration. Opesa will be a Sir Aja Jumedi Mua. The Bridal Fan Fascinator Balloon Decoration. Umbebo Madia Mua being Wumpa. The Yanis of JHS and SHS. Umbebo Madia when you are F2 Bridal Collection Service. F2 Ventures. Wabeho. Na Saturday we are. Umbebo Madia ye free training. At the mother for my train the next day, you know. And for your bridal accessories. But what do you answer when you check F2 Ventures? Well, we're cropping a crapping opposite Mandela Market, a cropon from 059 5273783 059 5273783 Wabejoso. I was your mangrove restaurant in Penny for Seminchiao. Namin can't just say, Bushia. I dear when it's your my yet be now. Now woke up a memo. Now at the papa say Abba. I didn't know some money sound woko. There be Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Our restaurant. Equita serene environment. Our 2 event centers. Bio. Into do mangrove was also your point to kill. Abuano your chin fish showed him one year by any special the amount. And I say one son and I'm around. Oh, point to ya penny I special. What is here? After your jazz music Wednesdays and Fridays. Our Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. On the Reach. Whoop Event Center Equita class. Equita serene environment. Our corporate parties betting me across Bronya brain. Corporate meetings betting me across. We know Dofuri betting me hanging out to your satisfaction. And one in Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Wawa Pond Anglican Down Police Station Road in Eswa. From 0243 277 576 0243 277 576 Wabejoso. Na the boy way. Ojro! Na no damn ya Ojro! We are one say Nyampa 26th. Okore say you do chrome for a branded town ni mo. From head to toe. Okore town ni mo depa. Ene na wosu. Na Nyampa 26th na festival no ebe shas ye. Odwira na nkasa 26th na ebe shas ye. Nana ene nim pangini se memento adofo a etie kasafidie. Mechire osu odumja otutu ababi odifi. Owo abrempon awokrama. Eye nifa hima, eye dukrom hima. Osu odumja otutu ababi odifi ye dukrom hene. Edukrom odra planning committee. Eddie Edukrom odra 2021 April. I wish I can say Jumadi in Bashas 26th December 2021. General cleaning in Bashishaso. After the numerous gospel rock show. Monday, a public sanitation on COVID-19. And of a screening, house screening. And so about 8 a.m. Pepe. After Neviano, 3 p.m. Everybody Yakobo Christ from Kodi Yakofo Grana by the next day, which is Tuesday. 28 December 2021. Also doing that road safety campaign in Bebaso 8 a.m. sharp. na fe na wi ano empanyini abomode akofo odwira na ba na Wednesday ayodra Wednesday abushia betena se no aka ho asem wo afiafim ne na ye na abushia de ato ye Samson on Thursday 30th December 2021 Osu odumja otutu ababio ene ne mpangini betietia won chacha masiasia nananom afiafim mo abomode ama mo afrisha pasronko afi from competition so beba so Thursday na 30th no Ojura Alewa black and white float no eno so beba so sada na efiada 31st December eno so no osodunja bebo kakra na empengini a wato nsafre bi wa bamu ahemfo nananom mwabomode atena se ebobo kuyapema ho ebobo adukroma ho ebobo apiemantan ho na wahwe ewiase apiemantan kanko eno ache ni inter schools competition be hihye so cooking competition enso ebe hihye so sada na Saturday ye Ojura Asinema Falls Games and for na nwumre ni ye Ojura Street Jams and Music Concert eno nyontofo agidin and assembly wadu won be gina apaso Sunday on the 2nd January 2022 what they asedasom no interdenominational Thanksgiving service no ebe hihye so na nwumre no odo didi empanyini abomode ya de ahihye so soronko kai se afi edukrom Ojura 2021 yade ni nyina baba na wie ye 2nd January 2022 afi edukrom pata wura pe kofi labi wura ani kofi labi wura mase akra ni ebede be yumato ehuna bobiru osi odunja otutu ababi oni ne mpanyini awo abrempon awo kuraman egusoro frefre kromafo ahoho adofo se afi edukrom Ojura ne be ye kra behwe eti frobi no bi so frobi na ka che ni se 26 edukrom for she Ojura na se Ojuro na Ejapoye Construction and General Merchant penny for seminchiamo na min ka jam se hwe enne efiamba ene yedi wuti obi fie ekire o se mato me dem ekire chi niema tantan de enko an o ye kire o won so na kasa wo honyo etida wudi efie wura wo problem si wudi e Ejapoye Construction and General Merchant penny for se hwe enne edansia ye mremremre Ubomodi aba Ejapoye aso ya quarry blocks 5 inches and 6 inches obenya bi sand blocks 5 inches and 6 inches hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches Ebushia kai se anwea no open wo tipam rhinom ana kiem open wo head pan na kotokuom sa na abo no so open wo kiem ana open wo tipam rhinom ana sa open wo kotokuom ni nyina wo nsa beka bi wo ya hwe ye wo iron rush ewo nsu a ye de ko site ne mia bebre binding wires ye wo bi ye tonton cement nso wo ho Ejapoye Construction and General Merchant penny for say hwehwe ma chikwan na wo dansie no enye memremre enfama wo da wa kwapem wo bemba bi asam radio filling station wo no frempangini was 0244 719814 0244 719814 kai say Ejapoye wa live band nso entisa wo ye birthday party wedding aye jumadi bi a wudi bia ubetimi atonsa dia frɛ Ejapoye Construction and General Merchant I'm a live band no I was 0244 719814 Ejapoye ana adansifo nyina adamfo na Don Pablo Papo penny for 7 chiao na menka just say banana shake mango shake snow white shake carrot and mango shake shakes ahodo oni nyina abushia wo bi eye fresh and so abushia kai say Don Pablo Papo akropon ekapem wɔwɔ Nkrabata ne mienu, Mandela Junction ne Christ Junction. Wɔsan so wɔ wine shop within a year shop no. Into do one of being foreign or local wine won Sabekabi. I was Don Pablo Pap from 0557 734882 and 0552 302607. Don Pablo Papa na Asibra Nabajo fresh shakes in town. Happy entertainment light and sound system penny for Semin Chiao. Namika Jones and ne Sawu Bedi Juma Nadin Kongwa Shaw Wafasi Binsa. Waso be she go for happy entertainment light and sound system. Say a stage na open in Kongwa na open. And answer me no can say light and sound system. Mama the answer do any better happy entertainment light and sound system for sure. But what you like power up and restaurant and so pay and inside the area one mobile come pa. One man fear crapim there be ever flow for Gigi Susuno. For 0275 042594 and at 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. Also, Bema Jumedino. I kiko. Na Peace Montessori penny for some country also here. NJ your baby school. Aqualano I that dream. What dream school out in the Beko? And then Aqualabia here foundation papa. Woman fapping papa. Abushonu subenya by all the four and all bring Paul. Yemu bebre ya bre. Is a school na ya shasi no. Teacher in Ukraine near has so bachelor wadie. But school way die. Enkwala edoma koma ponso. Anything I want teacher 12 students in a class or good access road, school bus. Environment also for studies in a good umpe we na pedi wo hostel junction would when you share a year shoe fabric quantum pone so a right opposite impressive colors from 050 5829261 050 5829261 and 020 0177676 020 0177676 and 0279 267523. Peace Montessori. I say one teacher, 12 students. I'm a parabia Michiao. So on the order for me too on catch it. Oh come on. And penny say me chia do for. Na me bisa mo nyina say mo to say. Ya ho ye wa ho. Oh mo to say. Obi ase ne ho ye. Ah well. We are where say ye be di bronya. Na niema na ukofa fiti January egusu was stone him. Yento. Osofu collection e swat. Sesi ame no ka say. Schools in Kitwani akase. Obi biere ni wonu mo de ne wo agba okuma wanu ne ho. Isane so okuma yetie yehwe ene ye kasama okuapeman. Na ebusha wu tie mi samre ya. Momadia Sa wo beto ato ahoma no wafrɛ 0246 435565 0246 435565 yebejo so akoman aye crowd say samre yebebo ne yema no ho dawro ama afoforo so atimi ato nka na sani ayeba ya Ghana apie mantem station enya afe baako SSA awards emu presenters nomination here awards oh mama kuma etimu aye ne de anything assembly ye pesa won so siribi me pesa won so siribi obeka ne say obrafo the boy ba no akere me pesa won so siribi enti mama dey answer by 0246 435565 0246 435565 yebejo so woka okuma radio a yehwe yetie ene yakasama okuapeman na home and away bar dodo na friend Jadus bar abushia 26 December kromo baya shesheshe esane se Ejadu de odwa didi sronko ade bre okuapeman ene ekropon Na ahimbrom behuru poto. Na time near 5 p.m. sharp. I was already the Biasani and himself share one is over to table. A Jedua and his upper pepper table no Susikaka Krabi can over here. I do 20 cities simple. Fre Ejadu. Any organizers no more or dread this room call Ebro Wahimbrum or Jedus Bano. I was 0559 763609. Naka said Mountains Band. And a baby. Enti ye be dia sa papa. The boy be say police ni ba no. Ye be dia sa pa dan na ye ho. Ye nya ye ho mpo. Enti ye home and away bar, a Jedus bar. Once again, mega loud feast. I don't na kan already, you know. Any live band night, you know. Yeah, the bro 20 seat. December. E kropon be ye demro so. Aja do mi chiao. Sabi bi abako de akra. Regionals Hotel Penny for se min chiana min kan cho sampa. Bro nya bere wada wo mpa ne so a wo so da akro na wo so. Esesa wo se environment kakra. Waya mo ba no kura hu tricks no. Regionals Hotel say my yiri treat. My girlfriend treat. It's an is a conference room. Our executive rooms. Our twin rooms. Deluxe rooms. Standard rooms. Economy rooms. If our swimming pool are open to the public, I will bet me a swimming. Now what simple drinks be? I mean okay. If our restaurant is open to the public, and also bet me I enjoy all foods, being it local or continental. Ningina of one each original hotel. Nabushia Kayo say I were Educrom Equiapem opposite the old district assembly or district assembly no. A hormone original hotel a wall. Ubetimia from 050 333 7788 050 333 7788 and 0244 333 373 0244 333 373 Rich Nest Hotel. I see your booking, no? Any reservation is here. It's a home away from home. Now, Divine Life Ministry International at the Women and Youth Empowerment Conference in April, dating here 30th December 2021. Now, Jumedi Ebabasu Wabang Enim, a Croponic Capim, or Hinena Infian Nimpe, Abang Enim, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, a software assembly Aton from Mumra no Mekasa, a Reverend Dr. A. Nicholas Aprelsian, PCG, Peace Congregation at Croponic Capim, Reverend Mrs. Susanna Abonse, a Pre-Century International Ministry, Queen Catherine Inkum, a TV host Wotogo Lome, Samson Bishop Ya Bempo Kwapon Okufu, only the main host. Itabushia, baby, we are seko, baby, Abrabone Kono, who here a year in Kenyan Sembi, now what they are Nanto, anything Assembly Divine Life Ministry International. At the Women and Youth Empowerment Conference, Ebro, be there or be square. Okay. Right, Abusia, Mamintun Sanfred Sports Team, no. Baranson Amatun Sadia from Mami Kojabwa from Krato Bimra. Namiba, Ubeto Kakanka. Our radio so Niaka Wechi and a dorsal. Stay tuned, don't flip your dial. I'll be right back. Ojro. ojuro edukrom kropon dupon refer from tese ne yankunton frefre nsu afi edukrom ojurei ebeye krabehwe edukrom kwata wura epeton ensu mo ewro wo kwen akre ne ebeda ebeyumaton kofi labi wura ne kofi labi wura mose ehuna bobirimo su odumja otutu ababio the fifth ye edukrom hene owo abrempon awo kurama eye nifahima ne edukrom hima edukrom ojura planning committee ne edukroman retonsa refer from tese ne yankunton frefre nsu afi edukrom ojurei enhyehyaya empanyini ayenie okriya huebi brianafo 26 December empanyini ne omanfo besiesie edukroman mu ene ni mpotampotam mu enwumere na what the gospel rock show tumadi no nso ebehyehyɛ so kayo se saada na mankrado ne empanyini so bekwa akɔfa nwodwira no nso aba 27th na de chen health screening akwammo eno na enye bam ene ni empanyini so bekwa akɔbɔ kwan de atwen wodwira no na de chen no 28 osu odumnya road safety campaign na afei odwira no empanyini bekɔpɔ mu asambre asokwafo ene asonkofo ibedi akiri no akofa odwira no edigaba na de chen no 29th osu odumnya betena se na sambre abushia aka wo asem Thursday 30th osu odumnya ene ne empanyini bebo modern asra afiafim ne fronton from competition so ebehyehyɛ so odwira alewa black and white float no so ebeba so saada na efiada 31st December edukrom hene ne empanyini bebogwa saada na inter-school quiz competition no and a cooking competition ebekoso on the 1st January 2022 odwira asrema 4 games no and also empanyini edebehyehyɛ so sanso na odwira street jam kese asambre anyumtofo enso ebegina apaso abomodien dijumadi eye ni kwasi ada no interdenominational Thanksgiving service ene odedidi ojuro edukrom kropon dupon refer from tese ne yankunton frefre nsu
achawajo enkrofo yɛ timnyamo ni ma me de besi bidan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
krachi ada wo yo hoho wo akwapem ha wonti ajapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo e de asidan sa wo pe anya e de asidan sa wo pe nsuo e de akọ side anase binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi ntwa ajapa ye construction and general merchant wonta esane se omo enema discount ewo adie bia wo beto bia wo maso cement kura de enkoho water cement nu anase miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afra ajapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwari na wo pe ewo track mu anase tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrew ajapa ye ewo dew akwapem wo bendel filling station no wo betimi afro mu ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anase de biara wo ye bia wo hia live band ajapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amu fili te ajapa ye live band na wo beti ne de yie abushia wo betimi afre ewo 0244 719814 ajapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor 4 adam 4
money oh hey money oh
straight to the mountains once again. Home and away. The Mega Love Feast is live at a Jadu's Bar once again. Abushia on the 26th December. Yenina the Yenichre a Jadu's Bar. Awa Himbrum. A the first ever. The Mega Love Feast and live band night. A Basuo a Jadu's Bar.
Hey, Miniana, what's your day?
On the 26th December. Home and away. The Mega Love Feast and live band night. A Basuo a Jadu's Bar. Wa Himbrum. A Koponi Kapem.
Wow.
Time you know. 5 p.m. Date in 26 December. Bra, Nani, Okuma Radio, Ekuma your phone, presenters, any DJs, it's all about the Love Feast. Ebaso Wahimbum, a Jadus Bar. Love Feast 2021 on the 26 December. Our Jadus Bar. Wow, feel.
Hey, wait a minute, I'm very mad. What did that?
Kayo, said you made a free. Yandusi Kebia. Etikachobi, no Bisun Kanchobi, a Yahimbum, a Honum, a Jadus Bar, a walk, and one only did the first ever Love Feast and live band night, bro, a pay a pinso.
Happy people.
basa pawo. Chese wede na aka na nsa ped babe. Wo friends and aduanfo chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire. Mama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kanwa koma to yem. Meaning Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Me you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, and as a parties ahodwa. Omutimi hihye dwumadi shronkoma na ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, inkonwa any tables are owo ni josopo wo ho.
Chese, one and that will be very neat. Imagine if a fair no one eba stage crowd ya wabema stage shunku and one Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say in yani papa and in sa papa whatever wow at the amount woman fear crapim omo bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko pesa ne ano komata ne was oh I want my many aje
happy people
Pub, Mafia Krapim is at it again. Mafia Ohum Festival, Home Base Pub on the 19th December 2021 at the Chicken and Beer Festival. Ebro, timing at 7 p.m. sharp. Kai, set 24th December 2021, 7 p.m. Yeah, the festival old and new school night. Ebro, festival rep your jersey. And only at 25th December 2021, 7 p.m. sharp. Afi, Mafia Ohum Base Dashronko, can't get to see Home Base Pub. Now, it's an answer all your top DJs from Akuman 97.1. Ebeba, Sansuna, your favorite MCs. Omunina be passing through. Home base pop, Manfi Ohum Festival. Sakotosa, Ebe Dabroso.
When peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwenwu ye o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, our accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition and care there. Wontimi omo wadamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ne amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra dumiempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori. E wo ekropon ekwapem. So wo pese woni omo kasa e wo ahomatrofo so a. Ananse wogi nchemu bi afre numbers 05058292661 and 02001776676 and 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana.
Wadom mufra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
I say it is well.
Right, Samre sports team now you ready. Mami man ana kwami ampon say di akwa biya bibi aboko there.
Finest bibi kama.
Okay. Odem. Right. Samre for your nante na for the latest and update in the world of sports in the family.
Right, Okuman 97.1 enyumre so no. Agode mu nsamba ko yentumi emfambra na afin so no wahu de ko ere de ba. Medin anena na kwami ampon say di obetumi afem eke. I say yes, Bibian Sono etimi I come a writer commentator a bomb chidom na fin sono semno etimi ede aba yebesha see and sono etimi ede free the Ghana Premier League on say weekend matches sono etimi e course na is a match week 9 and also etimi etodwa results ni e the Ghana Premier League no sene and also esifa ekoye bobo kwa ni the Diana Stars etna fie e odoma echi brekum Chelsea Eba ne kanemi ensa eba ne timu mienu sanso na Ashanti Gold etena fie enso na oboase Lincoln eba ne no Great Olympics ebo 0-0 11 wonders and so etena fie o na nafosu gi abo park echi BBN Go Stars ebona kam yenu ema ne team baako Karela enso ene Bechem United etimi ebo 1-1 Lagos Cities etena fie Deu ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko ebona kan mienu ema ne team baako Real Tamale United RTU enso etena fie Tamale echi Elmina Sharks ebona kan mienu wentimi anti West African Football Academy Wafa enso etena sikuakope echi Mediama echi ne kabako Alonso entimi antena afin no glorious impressive out of folk and certain fi Cape Coast Sports Stadium echi Accra Lions ebo na kan mienu a Alonso entimi ati Kofi Koji ana afin no Daniel Free Banie and a ball goes no enso etimi adema has team no table ni the Ghana Premier League after match week 9 no Ariana Stars in kind L20 points Samson na Kumasi Base Kim Faisal Etos mienu L17 points Koroko Etos miensa L17 points Bechem United Etosu 9 L14 points Real Tamale United RTU no Etosu Unum L14 points Dreams FC Etosu Ensia L14 points Great Olympics Etosu Enson L13 points Ash Gold Etosu Awachi L12 points Mediama Etosu Crown 9th position L12 points Karela United Etosu 10th position L10 points Snapfin Suno Bobo Kwanidi Eddie BBN Go Stars Etosu 11th position L10 points Heart of Folk Abetosu 12th position L9 points Shannon Son Hearts L3 outstanding matches and also team about 13th position no 11 wonders ono 8 points now finish no 14th no Brekum Chelsea our 8 points Accra Lions also 15th position our 8 points now finish no West African Football Academy Wafa at also 16th position our 8 points Lagos Cities at also 17th position our 7 points now finish our Mina Sharks at also 18th position and also no etimi our 7 points top scorer chart no David Abagna Sandan and so no RTU was 8 goals Maxwell Abekwe Great Olympics was 7 goals Fatah Ishaku Abdul Dreams FC and also no etimi ashe 6 goals on so match week 10 no fixtures ni Dreams FC and so had to folk about El Theater of Dreams and also Abaso Bechem United and can Faisal BBN Go Stars and Karela United Brekum Chelsea and Obuachi has gold Great Olympics any 11 wonders Mediama Asiminia Etnafi no also any Adriana Stars etimia about Elmina Sharks and so Betnafi Elmina non Lagos Cities Accra Lions and Real Tamale United afin no Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko and so any West African Football Academy and so etimia about to win match week 10 Ghana Premier League fixtures yan so yetumi area to join yan chance samba kumienu uko piemu match week 9 hat to folk and afin so Bobo Kwanidi area Accra Lions etumi boy game no corner we na say 2-0 has etumi edin kunim after the game coach Samuel Boadu Kofi Yesu etumi kasai echire na adwen erefa game no
eliminated from the Africa and this is the local league that we are in that we have to maintain the standard even though we didn't start well but we hope and we believe that if you take match after match as a folk we come up yeah we know even it happens at we and the Sharks and we are working on it and I believe that it got to a time that they will all understand the movement and then how to put the ball into the net. It's a good substitution as you all coaches are expecting because if you bring someone in and make difference that means your working is very good and Obi was out quite long. He was injured. He has started coming, so he can't start fully. So that's the reason why we brought him in the second half.
Winning summer coach Kofi Yesu Samuel Boadu etumi tuja erefato folk victory almost when your chairman tactical approach on the course second half no substitution or and etumi kan man boy I mean at folk and so etumi nya nkonimdi na yemfi Cape Coast yemba all the way the Theater of Dreams Koroko and Lagos Cities etumi boy coach Edma Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko ora Prosper Nate Ogun etumi kasai erefa game no chema we no nani ache Sakoroko nsoro etumi nya victory nemu no na difficult one yenti ensema Prosper Nate Ogun head coach Edma Koroko erituja
wasn't satisfied with the performance. If you look at the way we play, that's not typically how we play. When we scored, we were playing better. But because the goal we conceded was a bad goal, it just took the zeal out of our team, and basically that made us to be a bit disjointed. But then when we went into the dressing room, I told them those things happen in the game, and that we need to pick the pieces together. So in terms of performance-wise, I'm not happy about the way we played, especially after we conceded. But before we conceded, I think we're solid, we're marking, we're tackling, we're passing the ball well. But then because of the nature of the goal, we just went off.
Winning summer prosper na Ogun head coach Edwa Koroko and so no etumi editu dwa na you got the losing side ora ne dey Maxwell Kunedu on a head coach Edma Lagos City team no and so Kasai o chirema we shall boys no ball no mo bona Jordan so any Maxwell game no who ne saying
we created the chances all right and our boys failed to score. I mean, if we had converted our chances, we would have been at this position. With the goalkeeper to beat, what can you teach a player to? Only the goalkeeper to beat. I mean, that is football. We understand that sometimes you create the chances, you can't convert them. But the most important thing is the player that missed that glorious opportunity is 16 years. So we are happy with him. We are not going to put any pressure on him. Just that we keep encouraging him to do his best when the chance comes the next time. 6 in it's a worry, but everybody saw the game we played. We're not going to change it. We'll continue to play and play like that until we start winning. I mean, the game itself is good, but the scoreline is always not good for us.
And then in summer head coach Edma Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko head coach Koroko saying Lagos Cities Maxwell Kunedu and so etimi editu dwa yenso no yere ama etie fontin finest in Samino Dawson nemu ne set ne fatasa man forteno and then so no yetimi area baba finest me koi onim say yera anas yenu aba sister yes Madeline na ye no se na say ni na watcheda no ye betimi adi na Madeline Akosia Obenwa Eje adodo na friend sister no na watcheda no ukwada na bedi 1 week no ewo ye Ekropon Osai Broom house number W90 and bedi 1 week da emom na chena no enwumre 8 p.m. ye de I can say candle night walk and so ebetimi ahihya so enwumre 8 p.m. ewo Sledges Pub anymore on ebe sha se akọ candle night walk no na say yenu aba Madeline Akosua Obenwa Eje adodo na friend sister no na 1 week no just yet me dia about so no Tuesday at 8 p.m. no candle night walk ebe sha say the Sledges Pub na aja ida fa krum kakra na yenu akra candle o mic ni mu
on the assistant na ebru for no kenke party na maso.
Wow.
Almost said that. Say a lady no Sabio no no. I know omudidi enye.
Na I just see you crowd ma for you no start for you now program na there. Na batini na pull it down.
I think so.
You know Tuesday 8 p.m. Achana 8 p.m.
na.
Yeah, candle night walk no ebeba so.
I am mama hint no channel better say wale
no so. Okay, na dia fam.
Na jese.
Nti ba ukwada na 1 week no. Eba so but mobo.
Right. Me damasepa na Sunday ni American so say yenya hweye nia ewo mu ni say memma obi enkofa we so
come any dey udika
oh no cry ba akopɛ ababa na branch ewu a yehu ni amrante no ne mbaba ewu krom yesrɛ ni aba eda hokra ni yenka ho asɛm na wakofa we hu dia ye niema ensem fata
na se ne donzi trensa wonti men trensa obi aso ofia
say ayi na kwa me amika atu
ba se donzi men trensa obi aso ofia
candle night
I know say as calm as she is and no you say very shocking at the news nearby into no yen found quick TV yen abutre na ye
obi o ya kan bia say owu a aye na se gidigidi yesu kwakwo kakra mpongo nyina ho kan we enye better as far as I know the lady no Kwame who say obi wo no a me who say me tie mpanyin nyum I say kaka ku onyo say fa ho jija so lady no de ho jija yeah nti no enye better sa country kra na be yasam
enti na me ka say ahwe yi yesrem a sister ye nyina ye sister ye mpani sister ye nkwakora sister ye mrantie sister won yesi empeni ka se mi osi dimpa
yesi na
unya enti sani obia kwalo openi obia boni din no this tells you say at least or one bad side there but the good side no doso senia abdofo nyina eka we obi kura won kran
kwame say Paul Bible ye ya the bad side cast so nanga heaven ga on go bio Paul Bible
ya de na kai
bad side so bi nye ne de ka asem a asenga danka huli amu nyina ka mu ko heaven ni bi
entino ya ba sremo ya nya ne boko ye nyina so be ba beboa mami nchia nana okori ano na ni nua ba na cow ayisi aka ayisi ya friend no Abuja sister
kwa me say ni pa bi wo to mu dia friend wo hu omo
Abuja so de me na ni fa bonten so Abuja de
da kro be ni fa story at all
ye nka ni nyina
am he say that so chia
me jere so ya na papa yo be che ade ayi bobo nyami sha
papa ayi bobo ayi
listen no
general
our town general town
na sergeant and
etino yechiao honorable Daniel Kokubotwe yechiao
eke nyamche
wo
de Mugabe
sani onim sa wo ye na
sa
sa bro nya ye ni
15 wa
ya 15 ya bro
15
ya bro
ana na ya bro
60
ya bro
eti general
on fa suma asoreba obe deliver na pep
eti general ye chiao wo de
enipa me ni bo amon fa mo so
wo de wa grow per papa
general nipa me ni bo mo fa mo so yes kwa me nka general nipa me nu no fa mo so ba kudi
general ye betimi aye efe ye chia nanama dokua MPs for nyina ye chia mo
ona bo seka mabi esra ta baby out na
ona bo seka me ni kosia
me say ye chia MP
ahwere ase eminent hene nana asare utia bomadi abo eminent hene amane yesi bro nya na du
if you pray na me be CK Memorial Lodge
ye chia no okay
arrive
the boy na o se jena me man fan
nipa me nu bi so jena ngase onim dada
etino CK Memorial Lodge ye chia Mr. Kofi ye chia bro nya na so mama ye ni a ebe ya pa
Mr.
Eza se baby ye fia ye ba ni edipa
for your friends say
Afro
big afro
ye show man no big afro
oba mon fa dampare ni na chi
me say
dampare the police for in charge oye sere big afro oba chop o ma dampare nyina baby
big afro betimi abe show ene ya me no kase
big afro
ono na gro epehwe mimi ni pa
ono yes ono point and kill on the buy
big afro
bibia point and kill
na wo asema ye ke wo de nana buate
nana buate
agorogo
atikoko munya bibi
wo say
wo munya bibi
wo de watch out
and 20th
yes
Marcus collection Marcus aseminu ami Marcus
collection any Cochito ni papa ni Cochito
Marcus papa ni Cochito eti Marcus yaba
Marcus first e be kwa
ni yaba ni
eni momuye ni
nana so aba nana ani mobiri abontendom kwachira ambassador endo soja ni bi o man parade ni ambassador aba
momuye ntimonka
na no ni pa okromnya sa ka mo ye de
momuye ntimonka
mama ochua o ma ntirenka
mami chia mi brother mi nua madam fu mi mate mi bibia papa sare
aja ofi kuma se aba
mi chia no mi de me chia no
general se mabo ai adisi mi froze si amenton ka
afa mi chia doctor Opokubense
yana
kaje penny
yana kaje dis kaje dis na
adwumawura ye chia
ya friend se o medi ebronya ya friend se on fan onye voice wo kre enwushi okre for happy Christmas anything na my friend this is another
why busy no meeting my friend
meeting by
na wo ho bi wo
Christmas
breaking it meeting
wo office ni bi
the boy Christmas break your meeting
eti sabre honorable Daniel Kenneth mi chiao Minua Bema.
Nanado.
Me de share.
Bibia. You do sorry ma washe ma say. Me catch your pray. Enu Messi you do sorry.
Na finance.
Wo ba show no so.
Yentia so Berima Esiedu honorable.
Yes.
Berima Esiedu.
Honorable me da say.
Ewu Asapon. Ono municipal chief executive.
Yes.
Adema. The boy mama chem yes.
Medumu microphone.
Yes, honorable MC.
Yes.
Berima Esiedu Asapon.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah, heavy.
Yeah, that's it. Oh no, betimi ama van kese ya besia.
Ye
Sata say. Honorable ye chiao. Na bronya yi. Ya de aye boy ama ye hu difference no. Interior de ye hwa de.
Reverend Twako na phrase, Osofu Twako.
Osofu mi chiao.
Osofu ye chiao. Na sa Osofu correction nyahe. Osofu esra o de. Ya first cafona sa o kwame. Ja. Mummy an kanu kre. And evangelist Dr. Abu Afeju too.
Yencha
no size.
Papa betimi aye bibia.
Me ka don't me yare.
Yes.
Doctor.
Oh,
me ka don't me yare.
There be the only baby America. Me see doctor.
Evangelist Dr. Abu Afeju.
Yes. After yenchia no size.
Yes.
Yenchia eye ahemfu nyina ewo okuapemamu. Fiti abriko ka predi.
Finance mamincha yewura Kwame Atachampon.
Atachi.
CEO of Atachi Construction.
Atachi Jutu.
Onu say no.
Me papa say me nchia.
Ayi
Nana edu say into ampa.
Kwame. And now from them say they are foreign man na kam say mu jani pam.
Now peto be.
What's it?
Now peto be.
There be some jani pam. And so no affordable ne ba. And oji so be eti. Aye.
Eti eni aye ready.
Kwame Ndra be pass me so mu ya de.
Eni aye ready.
Yes sir 7,000.
Munya
7,000 17 million.
10 na obi some questions.
Yeah.
Okay, you be ka ho asem. Na
Saturday mama tell us already assessment. Me for 1 cedi gram for emma for assessment. Me can
yeah, kaka o show no so. Me da say epeni mami chia mu nyina na mi na mu nyina say. Baby o ko fe na mo fa no ko fa obi. Na mo fa dem remi.
Oh awful.
Yeah.
Oh awful the boy.
Mesre Sister Joyce Michiano.
Yes.
Sister Joyce.
Royal Junction.
Sure. Sweet and
so
solid woman.
Sure.
Owayemye. Nanoye.
Yes.
Nanoye Michiao.
Minojua.
Ujawai.
Minojua.
Obeba. Na yenchia yenya mami. Adwuma wura mami. Mama Yao.
Mama Yao.
Mama Fisher.
Mama Yao ni nyo yo hey friend say.
Ya Mama Fisher pa.
Boko no bui mu ho. Dan for mu ho no.
Silo.
Yeah.
Silo. Okay. Ye chiano.
Silo officer to me show. Officer cement. Yeah. Kwame George wo George. That's oh.
Oba wa for you ni bi.
Enter mo checha but finance mami chia me di na me nko. Me chia me ma me no mienu. First mother.
What's up me show na checha na mo checha.
Me first mother.
Ne be bia no mo me account.
Me first mother send the be si wo me first mother then the be ba wo. Ya ma me madam Fremo Pare.
Okay.
Chief of staff.
What the be ba no.
Mami.
Me secretary so be
me chia na me chia me second mother. Group CEO. Madam Salome.
The boy o mami scanner.
I no.
Mo nyina o Donzi 25 Kwame Mpere 25
yes
Nana Odamian 25 Nana Edi 25 Munye
yo Jemedia na fakoto Ibrahim
we fi baby e film nka
the boy say any one me
what you fresh here say more so
one me the boy
and for bona me boy no
mama $100
me mudi na ka tia bi ba nyame atwe nyina aka Edi Kwame Professor Kumi Doctor Seth Kumi
okay
UN and afi Lord and Labi
Doctor Doctor
Reverend
Doctor Seth Kumi obetimi aye bibia minim ni obetimi
Lord and Labi
but who say me dey ya me nka de bebre because me na say me call
and Dodiac Educational Complex yeah.
Oh, okay. Some na me fear anim.
Dodiac. Inchomu.
Yeah.
Na yeah. Ayenchawa.
Voice wo for em say emu ncha da.
Ayenchawa, o say.
Afa mami chia aye krowura. Krowura. Meka Krowura. Mamini kanko nifa.
Okay.
Nifa division de yanko adukrom. Na minchia
Osodumja.
Ehuna bobiri mosu odumja otuta ba bi onifa.
Kwame park ni mo si yenche o ma odo didi no. Park ni pa kudwo. Won yom de ama me no.
Park sister Cynthia ni.
Park ni pa kudwo.
Ani mi chia inshira. Me chia inshira. Inshira.
Okay.
Inshira ye sister Cynthia back to ya on the media agree to me chira mo right. Intino Abusha
ana moto no so asisi aso da no.
Me say toka. O toka ga ba sa on.
General mi chia o.
Abusha ncha ya de akoma court ba bra. But right about time the boy yanko so enchechi omne yanko so bro yanadu baby ayefia ye ba omuma yedi omo yedi omo ye show enti mumi ye usa pa mujira manai so
no tunto asoma won
onkra wo me ho
yeah man ai kwa me rasta for yenchi ai
Chacha Crew.
Oye mi show bi pa kwa me.
Chacha Crew no large. Na obi o kokwa mo large.
Kokwa mo.
Yeah, Chacha Crew kokwa.
Hey, Chacha Crew, I say me say papa na papa lawyer.
Papa lawyer Ampofu.
Oh, beautiful.
Hard working lawyers and no work happy more.
Na George won tie me. George, hey George, among friends, hey George, maybe I can go address.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry George, yeah, I'm can't want to abele mfama no.
Okay, me chat here ku brothers.
Yeah. Eco brothers. And also for resurrection.
Nafe mami chia mia. Me papa baako Nana Kotoku.
Okay.
Nana Kotoku.
And then na kwa me bi jukoma Calvary Hill suffer.
Oh, okay. Kwesi.
Reverend Doctor.
Oh, okay,
Kwesi. Reverend Doctor Kwesi. Wonso uko ba pa kuzi hwa na nam.
Ehwa ne ya
na kwaro no nti be sere asebe me ho no asoro for the for kwa asore kwa ne nye.
Eti abusha wede bronya na mumi yehu ne yeko na mami ye ndi bronya ibia
Alex
sax
incoming
sax ye chia sax
incoming Alex
sax ko
dew
sa
dew na incha dew tu fune
dew my ring hima
dew
the boy ye chia dew my ring hima
okay the my ring hima
any dew akwamu hima
ni odi
akwamu hima ni my ring hima
okay
enu omo ba ye na se kofi me
okay
hey chale ko omo to ya wow eti dew my ring hima ni dew akwamu hima ye chia mo
yeah
edino na mi
bisu sa madam for pa ne Dr. Reverend Lawrence Tete odibu ko chia no kwa me
na samiri dia mi chia me ya me wofa bafo kumankum sereko ayira kwa anche
abumofudensia
ewe ya oni mi edi nkomo
abumofudensia
enti obobofudensia ahene onu akro ya no sanso ye South Akim nankesi ni fahene enti ye chia no
before na we buru so ye
oye Ohio ye state wo US
Cincinnati, Connecticut, New Orleans. Na me mo nyina. Maso da na mo.
Ba na ile go okay. Etino SOS ye chia
SOS. Uncle Eddie no more.
Na ye chia GPRTU4. GPRTU4. Yeah, Mama Frishapa. Yeah, Mama Frishapa. Right.
Away, beya de papa, bro, nyai, beya de bro, nyai, beya de papa.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini, Jenny, Kramuche. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio.
Single
97.1. Okuma Radio. Yes, baby. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Enti Samre Ajapaye yechiao.
Ajapaye only 2.
Aju 2 Ajapaye. Papa. Wa winim. Bro nya wa me ndia ene ya.
Oh da uhini mi
da uhini. Tufo yini nana.
Na okubram.
Nana oku oh okay. Chidom. Chidom hini. Nana okubram. Obetimi de amata. Atakra de beba. Atade beba
ana ora set ya
ana myre hima ene eye akwamima omutimi de mata atade beba yesere mu
ora set ya bo anso kra no ana biye wo fa biye wo fa no nso
utia no set na no yen kaso mu tio mja nti omo fa nso ma ye beba be da se so dia se ana
greetings from Akropon. Greetings from Akropon.
We greetings from Akropon. It greetings DHia Akropon infunyina nana Akropon bemuhine. Nana yichiao. Nana so dia o show man.
Oh, that blue we no buy no crack taxi na ombo no san go we.
Yes. Nana ye show man. Yeti ye nana betimi aba. Oh, nana yichiao. Nana bempo. Bemuhine yichiao pa. Na yenchia kurura. Osi ade yo. Kwesi akufu. Tosia biesa. Yichiao FA. Yenchia ohima Samre yichia obuo enketia. Nana obuo enketia. Ohima kapem hima ohima sebi oba pa otimi din kontomini bon kwan no wasa waningo obi apa yechia ye mo afrishapa nana yenim se wo ma yeti heide ye beto nka everything will be all right
everything gonna be all right yes don't worry
esa yemienu ne ye kan ya asem
oh yeah
mehu se nana da mia ono agboni tintie ya na odi ni tini na ekire okay gaga ya mo akọ aba mo hoye de
ye hoye
za me ne de boy pen ye kai asem ye de bro nya no
me ka cho se mo re ye fi
ejadu
man ti se mo boni din
me chia ne dada wo hwe ba bia ye fi ba bro nya o ma ye di enti ya ba ne de esese okwapema ma ye di beba ye fi ba no bro nya no o ma ye di enti ya ba ha di okwapema ye so ma ye di aye ba boy na ne wa bie eyina no atia no crowd for
ya be fine
thank you enti da boy ena asa me na down
kwame yenche tiefo nyina nya bone na ho ma menwom no o ma menwom na se kwaku from pom da asa me
beba
la black enye de bia na ye be ball mama na we nya
kwa kwame
etiawa me wo school no na misi ama war me ne me yiri net wo enti bro nya yi mu naija me church pon obae eno invite me se memra oh se ende ono wa bro chire ntaja ono no boa me kakaka me hwe fie nti obae no se memra dina na kwa me ko naija me ne me yiri ekoye na no kwasem man kan kire no se no kwasem na ye wosku na mbibi enti ye fi wo ba no nzo te abrosan so ye san du from better aka mu akope say your classmate baako ono ne nete e wo so say enti o gare dada na o invite wo ba na o de wo yire e de abai kwa in fact na mani ma twa o
e be twa o
enti me ka cha me yire say no de na me ne ho dada na mom ene school time a che dada de joba no invite me na ne de achi na yanko say ono so say ne boyfriend former boyfriend dada so invite ne so omra dinner mesema yanko na say asemu ye ka na efa na me bema metimi do akọ baby aba wo ba ne de ontimi mfa me nko baby a etimi nko o boyfriend na invite wa wo de kwere ko di baba na mato dan nim
right mami ma akọ aba
yeah nua
na da na wonu ukuru ko ende
Chese osi ano okase mami ne na ma ni sika kra no de support mi hu kra dream na won kan che me de dai
atade ande otimi na bo no na mama ntino obetumi tutu obusese ya
enti just mi si fie ho as den
obi ahia moa obi awi ase bi ahia moa
me
get dada
o get dada party na yakọ na mi so me kra po nso ye invite me na mi hu se ne am because me kunu on ti asem se ne am hu no asem pa so be se da ti asem ase de
amu me say me LGBTQ amu me say me Ethiopia
me say mama no si
me ka chen say ne akodia na me so invite me say anu bibia ni obi antem ti e betumi akọ papa ite ya ni buefu onko me kon so a obelo kipono me be fie biem ono so ne me nko na me say we die same way me the baby okuma court for if so
na chata wo wakoja ne ono ne de ne ex e birthday ono ne koy ena wo nso no o ex nso edi ni birthday o pese wo ko
me pese ono nso se me obi an support me eja wo na wo gi sika fi ex girlfriend
eno de to bo
me ngi bin fi obi
eno de bo me se mo anu wa bro chire mo anu aman me kakra
abusia papa yenya na yiri na o man nko ana se
me kwan di ade
de yiri entie ni kuru asem
ontie masem
wani gusu du o ge odada
asonte all right 0554166775 0554166755
ya kwa yo 7 ya wo tafre won say nyina wa aduan no
se wala be gumani masini ya woni me
me go ani mas me go ani mas say
all right 0554166755 0554166755 I don't know number your studio line 0554166755 ubetimi afre na wonso waba so na samre won pese wo yire ebeko ya obu ofu a wo say okwa obeto poyin se onkonko ye bibi boni ade nso se bese na kamu nyina monko
na bi me kwakwa ye debe wani ehu anya tan sende won ka che me se ne boy dada ne boy omo school ne boy no omo school no boy no ndi no ade ntese me di nachi
okay
di nachi ko
wonso die ye
me die ni ai me die anka ko di tafre won sa
na o de wan tafre won sa bi
me za me de
wanya o de
ai de me na me de no
me gumani mase
me gu ani mase say me gu ani mase ono wan invite me ana me nya na ko o ma ne miska so da ma me de ma
den ti na won kan che me dada
me ka jo na ye den
right
me ka jo na ye den
me ba 0554166755 0554166755 digi don't the headline na me nim call ne ba na say akoshe I'm say we aba mami for frefo yo wa he odi shebe ni
na kwame
eja kwam tela
yes I was
na bibia boko wosi na junction there
aja na do ma haye boko na ja na ya kaka
okay okuma ni
ko afama ya no
eja samre die chewadwe wasemi o ma ne kwa na me ma ne nko
o ma ne nko se enya birthday no no be hihye ho a o ma hihye ho ani de ayade a birthday na nko anya hwe ko so ko one day na anya no hwe nto ma ne nko o no ba yi de anya birthday no ko na bibi de si nto ma ne nko
me ma ne kwa infa
meko
me ma ne kwa infa na mi dina chiko ko introduce me say
anya hwe ma ne nko
masa masa kwa tell me
0554166755 eja kwam tell say man nko
kwa infa
okay obi wa homa so de shebe ni
fe kwa lele bi o fe na je
efe Nigeria bibi aboko de
rade adugo
na sabre obutu na oni ye kasai
me wa prede
aprede okuma ni obaje mi so ofie pe me da say chewadwe wo asem we o
me ni obi ananka udo ukura tunafe
aso ni oba anu oyo oba na odoni kunu a nia wo ka no ontie man nko all right 0554166755
udo me
aga ma me sika aga me ma obi di yoti Maybe the OT now, me don't.
All right. Anyway, 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755. What is it?
Papa, we you.
Papa, na heading. Papa, no heading.
What is your baby?
Subain.
Papa, me now who come opposite? I be our call here. Me pa church argue was me or come any.
What former guest what in the call for our one money? Who said the 1 hour Jessica? It's one also said the former boyfriend, but not a baby offer. Man, I found on also where.
What they make my shadow catchers.
I look at your Gemini day. Look at Gemini day. Oh, for my boy. David. Be able to be see. David, me man, whether I go and there. Okay, some food be a fat way there. Nya dey me fat me nyintum. Hey.
Never wow.
David.
Yo, matemeda say. Mama fa wa more call is an say memory na tia me kakra. Na 055466 7755 055466 7755 and then number yedi juma e studio mu na says ya eh asa when you abre
many dey abre pa
na oni bre soja ani bre in soja me na me ya be ma awore mu de be ma na yetire be ma na say decide me na me decide ba bia be ko nya wo ba no una ha dan una ha dan
let's go na utia
right dodo na tuyefo na mama nko Facebook nso kai message ni kakra me share mo once again I say from Loretta watching you live from Microponic Mama for Loretta Beauty Salon Okuma Radio, you are the best. West Side Kofi Zigaro, I say big shout outs to Eddie Kelvin Amponsa someone Ponsa Pebi Nyampong, I say Okuman Kasa. Good evening to you all. Where Okuman Akwaba Drive. Yes, sir. Someone Ponsa Pebi Nyako, I say big ups to you, Betty. One event Betty. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Abusha, ya di nyina besia enne. Yentimi phobia bio, ye bese mo pa, ye di nyina esi enne. Yentimi phobia bio. Nyampa echena eye Monday. Echena asemo eda ho. Mami misa wo. Woni obiti na last nipa na ko wari na woni ni yi nyin se encheye nipa na ko all right but wo de wo so wari e wontimi nwo de na obeye stay tuned
so ochina
nyame amana de na so tia se akira ebehia ya from me na kwa me per ubetimi afro the finest the mema nyina ka chwe ni masela ka se nkoma Victor hine da ko list wo na mo kai mo say Samre bronya no edu anisa entinu mu di amomi yendi bi ana
say etuama no na etuawa no na echo ni ado bakofo di mi ya kromu nye de
entino sani ampanyini ye cheche omu nyina yenim say
secret millionaires
yes
secret millionaires
enti echobia
group akun we brew and group akun e we brew amorokwa group omo ye ma preman for papa me jo mo se chama yire so wana fishiapa
okay enti be so bi mo bi afishiapa want me ke bi am no wedding kra me ko
Okuma Radio 97.1. 1.